The Arkki main page shows a catalog of objects called assets. An asset is a multimedia element composed of a media as a series of metadata that allows it to be cataloged. By positioning the mouse on one of the objects in the catalog, in the case of a video asset or an image, we will see a preview pop up. The total number of assets in the catalog is visible here. The catalog is divided into pages that are browsable at the bottom of the interface. The catalog order can be customized starting from this drop-down menu. Once the desired criterion has been chosen, you can select its orientation, ascending or descending. The catalog is shown starting from a view called Mosaic. You can change the display view by clicking on this icon. The catalog will then be shown as a list. You can browse the catalog based on the type of assets. Selecting one of the available options in the upper part of the interface, you can apply a filter that allows you to browse the catalog in a more targeted way by browsing only a specific type of asset. Asset types are generally implemented by the system administrators based on the cataloging needs of the user. The range of asset types can vary from the most classic media such as video, audio, pictures, but more particular objects such as vector graphics, text documents, and project files can also be envisaged. The types of files that can be uploaded to the Arkki system are generally agreed and listed in the initial implementation phase and may be subject to customizations based on the user needs.